Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Disconnect power and air from the reamer. Remove 2 fasteners from the spray head. These fasteners will not be reused. Longer fasteners are provided with the kit. Slide the spray containment unit over the spray head. Line up the holes of the spray containment bracket with the holes of the spray head. Ensure discharge spout is on the opposite side of the sprayer hard line. Use the new long fasteners that came with the kit to fasten the unit to the spray head. Adjust the spray position in the robot program to accommodate for the extra height of the spray containment unit. Ensure that the nozzle on the robot is sealed tightly against the silicone O-ring at the top of the spray containment unit. Connect the drain tube to the discharge port on the bottom of the spray containment unit. Route the hose to an appropriate reservoir or catch can to collect used anti-spatter fluid. Reconnect power and air to the reamer.